Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make the ultimate tiny house modeling guide. First of all, we can make the rotate rectangle. We can click from this position, then we can type around 2.6 meter in here, and now we can drag to the another side. We can type 6 meter and enter in here. Okay, this is the base plane of the tiny house. Then now we can click and select push pull tool. We can type 300 millimeter and triple click and make group in here. Okay, then now we can select the rotate rectangle and click from this position to this position in here. Now we can click and now we can select the push pull. We can type around 3.5 meter in here and enter in here. Then now we can triple click, right click, and also make group in here. Okay, then now we can make the another terrace area in here. Then click the surfaces and select a push pull to the another side. We can type around 3 meter and enter in here, and triple click and also make group in here. And okay, now we can make the another glazing in here. Okay, we can make the glazing. We can make the luxurious glazing in here with out of the box shaping in here. Over there we can make the line over there in here. Okay, now we can erase some unnecessary line. Okay, and then after that, now we can select the glass in here. We can assign the glass materials in here. Okay, then now we can select the cladding. Okay, now we can adjust with the cladding position in here. But in this case, now we can also make the another color in here. We can select the color with the gray color over there. We can select the gray color just like this in here, or maybe we can just select the semi dark gray or just like semi light gray in here. Okay, and then now we can select this one. Okay, now we can assign about this one in here. So it has the another modern design in anyway in here. Okay, now we can also determine about the another design in here. Okay, and after that, now we can determine again about the another design, and we can determine about the another materials with the four side in here. Okay, now we can triple click. Okay, now we can click and right click and erase, and click, right click, and also erase this one in here. So this is about the interiors in here. This is about the exterior, sorry. And okay, and after that, now we can make the another openings. Okay, we can make the another openings in here. We can set the opening height around 2.4 meter in here. Okay, and we can tap the measure tool. Sorry, we can tap the line, and this is 1.4 meter. Okay, and maybe we can select move and just place, make it smaller than before. Okay, then now we can click this outline and select the offset tool, offset it inside 35 in here, and make the 35 and make the thickness in here. And now we can determine about the wood materials in here. Okay, we can determine about the wood materials to make it more rustic or natural. So this is the combining the modern and also the natural one in here. Okay, then now we can make the rectangle in here and just scale, and we can select the rectangle and push it up in here. Okay, and now we can triple click and also make group. Okay, maybe we can just push it to the another side in here, and push it to the another side in here. Okay, now we can select the color and select this one. Okay, on this position in here, and now we can make the another canopy in here. We can make the another canopy in here, and triple click and also make group. Okay, and after that, now we can make the little rectangle in here. Okay, now we can just place and push it to the another side and select a move and place to the position in here. So now we can make the this support in here. Can make component, then now we can select a move, tap control, and just place to the position in here. Okay, or maybe we can make it more larger than before in here. Can click and select move. We can just move this one in here and click and place to the position in here. Okay, so it was combining between the modern and also rustic one in here. Okay, now we can make it group, and now we can make the another terrace area in here, and terrace area on the another position in here. Okay, now we can triple click and make group. Okay, now we can select the landscape and select the ground cover. Okay, we can offset it inside in here. Okay, we can just choose this one in here. Okay, now we can select the concrete, or maybe we can just select the edge in here. Select move, tab control. Okay. Okay, now we can select the wood materials. Okay, we can just assign about the wood materials in here with this position, and now we can select the concrete. We can assign about the concrete materials in here. Okay, and after that, now we can make the rectangle on the position in here. We can select the landscaping in here. Okay, we can select a move, tab control, and just place to the position here. Now we can explode. Okay, now we can explode and make group and scale this one in here. Okay, or maybe we can click and just scale it down in here to make small plants in here. And select a move, tab control in here. Okay, and after that, now we can assign with the another materials in here, or maybe we can just select these materials in here with using this one. Okay, and after that, now we can determine with the another color in here. We can determine with the another color in here, and we can also make it like a lumber ceiling in here. Okay, we can assign with the lumber ceiling over there, and okay, and after that, now we can make the rectangle to make the chair in here. Okay, to make the chair approximately just like this, and make this one and push it up in here, push it to the another side, and just move to this position. And then now we can make like a curve in here. Okay, we can make group. Maybe we can make the curve in here and make the curve in here, and push it down and just push it down in here. Okay, now we can determine about the wood materials in here. We can use this one. Okay, and we can also make it to be a component. Select move, tab control in here. Okay, in here, and make rotation, simple rotation in here to make it more natural in here. Okay, we can make the circle table in here. Make group and assign about the table materials in here. Okay, and after that, now we can make the another component. Can assign with the another component with this okay, with this component here, and now we can also make the another silhouette component in here to make this one. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, so you can activate about the shadow. Okay, you can activate about the shadow, and you can activate about the profile, so it will be more bold than before, so you can explore more about the another 3D model of this tiny house in here. Thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.